Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 1. What is nutrition? This week, you will be learning about the expectations of the course. You will also meet and greet your fellow classmates. At the same time, you will be reading Chapter 1. And Chapter 1, you will be learning what does nutrition mean. Also, you will be learning how does nutrition play a role in preventing certain diseases. Now, I would like to draw your attention to what is due by 11 p.m. on Sunday, May the 21st. So the first thing you need to do is read the course contract and sign your name. How do you do that? You need to go to the tab that says Course Content. Under the Course Content tab, you will see a folder that says Course Contract, Course Quiz, and Introductions. So if you click on that folder, you will open up the Word document that says Course Contract. And after you read the course contract, then you need to type your name on the blank line that you will see there. You also need to complete the course quiz. So first, to complete the course quiz, you need to read our course syllabus. After you read our course syllabus, then answer the questions on the course quiz. Also, on the course quiz, you will need to look at the video that says Navigating the Course. I highly recommend that you watch this video. I made this video to show you where things are located in our course. So after you watch that video, then you need to answer the questions about where things are located on the course quiz. The next item that you need to do is introduce yourself. So you can either go to the discussion board and you will see greetings and introductions, or you can go back to the course content and click on the folder that says Course Quiz, Course Contract, and Introductions, and then scroll down and you'll see Greetings and Introductions and get to it that way. So, a couple of tips for introducing yourself. You need to answer all of the questions that you see there. After you answer the questions that you see there, you need to respond to one other student. A lot of times the students will just answer the questions about that I have there and forget to respond to one other student. So don't forget to do that, because if you forget to do that, you will lose your full credit on your introductions. Next, you need to register with the Mastering Nutrition under the Pearson tab. Now, some of you have already emailed me about, do I need to buy the book because it is a high cost? Now, that is up to you. When you buy the book, it comes with an access code. Some of you like a tangible book to feel and touch while you are reading that, or to mark your readings with a marker. Some of you are short on funds, and I truly do understand that. So if you are short on funds, I suggest that you just buy the access code by itself. When you buy just the access code by itself, in that access code, it has an ebook. So that's how it can save you money, by just buying the ebook. So if you go to the Pearson's My Lab and Mastering tab, you will see, if you scroll down, a course video on showing you how to register your access code. And one important thing that I must tell you, you are registering it in Blackboard. You are not going to the Pearson's website to register. Why? Because we are integrating it with Blackboard so that you can see all your grades in Blackboard. We will not have two different places where you will see and do your work. So please remember that you are going to register in Blackboard. There are two ways to do that. You can either watch this video that shows you how to do it, or if you scroll down all the way, I have written steps out here for you. And it shows you in the video, and you read here step by step on how to register. Now, again, if you do not have an access code yet and you are short on funds, you can register and get a temporary access code for approximately 2 weeks. But remember, after the 2 weeks, your work will disappear. So please do not let that happen, because you will lose all of your work and then you will be behind. Okay? So those are some important things to do if you are short on funds. Now, also, it is very important that you register this week in the Modified Mastering, because you will complete what is called Chapter 1 Study Module in Mastering, and also the Nutrition Math Basics for homework in Mastering. And you cannot do these two things, the Chapter 1 Study Module or the Nutrition Math Basics, unless you have registered in Mastering. So please do not get behind and register this week. Again, if you don't have the funds for the access code, then get a temporary access for 2 weeks. The other assignment that you need to do is to submit the Credible Websites assignment. And that assignment is going to be found under the course content, and then under the folder that says Chapter 1, What is Nutrition? There are a couple of things that I want to point out to you about that assignment. So when you open up that assignment, the first thing that I want to draw your attention to is you need to find a website online that addresses nutrition, and then answer the questions. These are the questions that you see here. What I want to point out to you is all answers must be in complete sentences to receive full credit. If you just put yes or no, you're not going to get full credit for that answer. Also, scroll all the way down to the last question. You're going to answer, is this website credible? Yes or no, and tell me why it is credible or not. But what I want to point out to you is it must be in 5 comprehensive sentences. If you only have 2 sentences or 3 sentences or 1 or 4, you're not going to get full credit. Now, the last thing that I want to point out to you is that this is a very, very fast-paced course because we're only going to be together about 7 weeks. If at any time you have questions about anything in this course, please go back to the discussions and you will see what is called Cyber Cafe. Post your question in the Cyber Cafe. Students, also please look at that Cyber Cafe daily to see if someone has posted a question. If you happen to see a student that has posted a question, please help them out and answer that question. Do you know that you can earn up to 5 extra credit points by doing that? At the end of the course, and I will look back at the Cyber Cafe and see if anyone has helped another student or not. Remember, we are all in this together. We are here to learn from each other. So, if you have any questions this week, do not hesitate to post them on the discussion board, or if something is not being answered, then please send me an email to my email. At the same time, do not forget to post your assignments in Blackboard. Do not send them to my email. At the assignment, it has a Word document there that will show you how to submit an assignment. I also have a link to a video that shows you the steps and how to submit an assignment. I do understand that many of you, this is your first time in taking an online course. So please do not submit your assignment to my email. Only submit it to Blackboard. Now, have a good week. If you have any questions, please submit them to the Cyber Cafe or to my email. Thank you.